Here's my Easter contribution for this year.
What's this one? Tape runner?
Yeah, it's a tape runner, but I noticed, ironically, and just a weird coincidence, the tape runner version of this is like $2 cheaper. Huh. I just wonder why. What could explain the difference in price?
There you get more glue.
No, it's just not as crazy and messy as the other one. So yeah, I bought one of those so I could take out the tape part and put in my refill.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not fooling me. I know. I noticed the price difference and I was like, suspicious. So this is actually some scraps that my husband got from the We Are Memory Keepers frame board. Whenever he cuts a frame, these little things come out, but I thought it'd be cute on this little decoration. And this is one of those things from the antiquarian sticker book, but I put it behind it to give it some strength. And same thing for this. I just found some scrap paper because I really honestly I don't know. They're like the worst stickers. They're beautiful. It's just like the worst stickers. They don't stick. It's like a pretty picture with sticky like substance on it, but it's not really a sticker. I don't know how else to describe it, but I usually glue them down anyway. So let's put this just a little bit. I think it was supposed to be up here. Okay. So all of these come from scraps that I got from my scrap bundles. So I put same kind of antiquarians. I think this one came from a different set because he's shiny. I forgot which one that was. I think I got that at Barnes and Nobles. It was a sticker pack. But this mostly is antiquarian set with I love my table. I got this table like 60% off at Joann's. And it's like rolling so you can move it in different rooms. So half of it I use for resin and half of it I use for crafting, so that, sometimes I do resin on this side, but most of the time I like to use it for like just this half for crafting. And I don't know how much it originally was, but I got 60% off of it because I wasn't about to pay whatever it was they wanted on it. Here goes the part where I'm not great at, but so how can I make these? I want to make them, I kind of want to save him at the end. I don't want him to pop up. I want these to be kind of popping up in 3D because I've been doing that a lot and it's fun. Let's see, where was my brain? Here it is. Let's do him. There you go. It's cute. So you got to kind of, I think you got to, is that good?
Sure.
I don't know. Probably need to put it on this side. There's a bunch of stuff. There we go. And I tried to get the eggs that were bluish in hue and brownish because I have gold in here. What you think? Okay. So let's memorize this. We won't, but let's pretend. Let's do this one. So my husband is cutting frames in the background. I just think it's so amazing that the dollar store has these little poppets. I don't know what they call them. Pop-up things. Is it a poppets? Oh, we're going to use those?
Yeah. It's good.
Oh, okay.
It's good using.
My husband decided to be even cheaper than I am. Let's see. I usually make these out of cardboard and just put tape behind them, but okay, that's unique. Let's see if it works. Yeah, Yeah-ish. Yeah-ish. Kinda. Just gotta make sure it's still got enough support behind it, because I feel like something is missing on that one. Yeah, he indeed, huh? He's like, I ruined your piece. Ha 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 ha. Giggle laugh.
Okay.
Okay, what we got? Try to make it stable. I don't know. That's the tricky part with these things. If you make like one side too much, the other one was like look caved in. But I like them because usually they don't damage the paper that much compared to like the tape I use when I make it out of cardboard. It's not so bad. I don't think it should take that much because it's a tiny egg. Egg here. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Maybe I could just tape that. That's cute. I'll tape that to it. Don't want it to be like too big. My book like is barely closing as is because I'm just overloading the guy. There we go. Now let's do some more. Let's see. So usually, I'll give you a story time. Usually, even though we're old, none of my mom's kids have grandkids so far. So she still wants to do Easter egg hunt. So what she does now is, instead of candy, sometimes she puts candy in the eggs, but that's like mainly like to be like a consolation prize, like if you don't win the money. But what she does is she puts money in golden eggs and just hides them in the backyard. I mean, we would come home for Easter anyways, but she wants us to do stuff while we're there, so she's not bored. And she also likes to see a bunch of grown people stumbling over each other in the grass trying to find money. So she just hides. She spends like, we have to go over there, and she's so strict with it. She's like, you can't come out. Like, I'm not hiding them beforehand, and you can't come out until my eggs are all placed. I'm like, okay. So we stay inside and we play games or we talk or whatever until my mom is done hiding the eggs. And then after she's done hiding the eggs, she just gives us like plastic bags. Like, there's no baskets here. So you have all these people. We have to line up in the backyard, and then she'll say go, and we all just run. And every year, it's not even like she hides them in the same place. I don't know how she does it, because I thought I figured out the pattern. Because usually I win every year once I don't play, but I'm usually the best egg hunter. She does also have like normal eggs too, which is funny because sometimes people are so excited to get the money eggs that they don't really it's not funny. They don't look for all the other eggs, so my dad will find them like later on. My dad will find them like while he's gardening or he's cleaning up the backyard, and they'll be just rotten eggs that somebody forgot because they were in a hurry to get money eggs. But anyway, so she'll say go, and then everybody starts running and tripping over themselves to get to where. But she changes her style every year, so it's not like, I thought for sure I had it figured out that she likes hiding them in like the garden, but nope, she puts them in all kinds of random stuff like bushes and stuff. And I don't know if anybody lives in the country, but that's not my thing. Like, I don't go inside of bushes, and nah, you can keep the money. Too many snakes and stuff. I live in the South, so we have like rattlesnakes and stuff, and I know I have rattlesnakes by my house, but I'm not into it that much. So I just let somebody else get those eggs. But sometimes she'll put them in like crepe myrtle bushes and all kinds of random stuff. You can never tell where she's gonna put it, but it's super fun. And my little brother usually loses, and then he'll be upset about it, even though he's not little anymore. Really, he's you know, an adult now, but, you know, still my little brother. But then he'll be not crying. He used to cry when he was younger. He'll just be pouty the whole time. I think last time, though, he actually won. I got this today at Michael's.